path over to my garden.
In case you're wondering why I like the Hykoki better. So even though it's hot out here and we had a nice cool in there for them, for the pooches, they decided that they had to be out in the sun. So here they are. You doing some more lumberjack in there? Lumberjack?
I might, yeah.
Lumberjack shell?
I'm gonna clear a path over to my garden, where
Okay.
my garden's gonna be.
Good morning. Yeah, we're back today. Hopefully we're going to get that floor moved. We're going to try to do that today. Our son RJ's said he's going to come, and hopefully he said he'd be here Friday. But I'd just soon not make him drive out here to do this if we can do it ourselves. So we're going to try that. We had to run some cables today. We got the air conditioning running in there because it's
32.
For those of us who live in Northern Ireland, it's dire because we never got anywhere near that there. So we've got the generator running down below.
See that going down there?
Down by the
Hear it?
A-frame, RJ's A-frame. So we've run two lines. One's going in and we're charging the Bluetti. That's our emergency backup. It's just a small Bluetti. It's 1800.
Yeah, it's just a
That's
little.
surge, right? So,
Ow.
so yeah, 1800. And that's we keep that for our laptops because we need those for work. I bought this while I was away. It'll help me measure the wattage of each of our devices just to get a good idea of what we're actually using. For instance, my desktop computer, it's typically using between 175 and 200 watts. That's why we have this. I want to be able to size everything up properly because we need to upgrade our solar because it's
Not doing enough.
No, mind you, we have 800 watts, but we're not getting anything out of them, so I'm doing two things. I got from Renogy when I bought the 4-panel and single tilt. So I'm gonna put that up on the roof, see if that's gonna help us at all. I'm hoping it does help us because that would be really great because right now we're getting 25% efficiency out of the panels, 25-30%. So that's not good. If tilting it helps, which it should. So I'm going to take the farthest one down, which isn't impacted by the vents, put that on the tilt, although it's impacted by trees, so yeah, 6 of one, half a dozen of the other. But I'm going to put that on the tilt and see what that does. We should see, I'm hoping we see an increase of about 150 watts. If we are, then I'm going to look at a way to bring all of them up and over and above and see if we can't get something out of it until we're able to get a proper solar setup down the way there, which we've talked about. And that's our big one, right? While we're looking at a couple of solutions right now, SunGold, EG4, and I think those are the only two we're actually looking at right now. Figure out which one's going to be most cost effective for us, obviously. On a side note, for those of you who have to tote petrol around, Canadian Tire. You pop this puppy in, hit the on button, and there you go. It fuels the tank for you, and you don't spill it anywhere, no sloshing. It actually, when you turn it off, it siphons back in, so you're losing nothing.
Canadian Tire.
That's the one you want.
20 bucks.
That's right, that's all it is, 20 bucks, and I'm sure you spill more than 20 bucks worth of petrol these days with the price. All right.
Right, catch you later.
Ah.
My fountain wasn't pumping, and in here it was kind of gross, so I'm just kind of scooping all the water out, trying to get this black stuff off of here. But it's good for now, I think. Add some more water, should be good.
I wonder if we shouldn't do some kind of rainwater pull in there and just let it overflow into the garden.
So, I have 2 piles going. I'm going to have to start chipping. Ran it out of gas yesterday, but I'm just going to keep going. And then I'll just chip it in one go. This way I can process it. I can take the tops off and do everything else beforehand, so I'm not wasting fuel. Over here we are growing a very stylish porcupine nest. I need the strimmer. Holy moly, it's hot. Oh, oh, my eyes are sweating. Is that even a thing? It's just too hot. It's 27 degrees and it's only 11:30 in the morning. So, all right, here we go. Okay, there's quite a few logs back there, so I might have to come at it from a different angle, maybe? I'm not sure. Let's see what we got over here. There's a big tree. That's just snapped off, so that's nice. Lots of rose bushes back here. I was gonna get the strimmer, but I haven't.
No.
What?
I'd hung it up.
Oh, okay. Robert forgets things. Sometimes I worry about it. We all forget things. I forget things. I'm gonna try and get this log out. This one's not too bad. Ugh. Oh, that's nice. I dropped it and it broke, so that helped. Camera fell.
Beautiful. Beautiful. The other one's a...
Oh my. Okay. Root ball says no. Leverage says yes. Well, that was fun. This is the way we came into this before that one was pushed over by Robert. But so I only have a couple little ones, and I'm gonna just cut it on an angle like this, I think. And right over here is where I'm gonna put my garden. So we're almost there. But I need another break because it is, holy crap, 30 degrees. And it's just after 12. This is crazy.
More choke cherries, honey? Nice. Careful, love. Oh, look at that, eh? Nice. So we're gonna cut up the styrofoam, fill in there, and then we'll seal it with some tuck tape. Then once we get that done, we'll put the rock wool on, and then vapor berry, and then the flooring. So hopefully we'll get that done today. It's another beautiful day. It's gonna be warmer than it was yesterday. So we got the air conditioning running again today, and hopefully it keeps it cool for us.
We're trimming for a push fit. No gaps for drafts. No wrestling required.
I'll take them out. It's a big thing, you know, a big thing. So
The seams get taped so air can't gossip between bays. Press, squeegee, done. If it doesn't stick, neither will the heat. I'm gonna finish this and charge the camera, and we'll be back later.
all right, and don't forget, comment, talk to us about what we're doing here, right?
Yeah, feel free to ask about the tape,
You know.
and what it's for, and if you have any suggestions what might improve it at all.
Comment.
So we've finished the taping around the foam insulation, you can see that there, and now Robert's just putting the last piece of rock wool in. We're going to vapor barrier on top of that and tape around it, and then put tape along the joists and blocks so that we know where to nail. And there you go. I think we're gonna go get an ice cream though.
Yeah, DQ, here we come. Okay, another warm day. I'll start on the vapor barrier for the floor and put that floor down. Teeny weeny floor, honestly. And gonna do that. Went and bought the insulation. Whew, that rock was dear.
Think of this as a giant Ziploc. Everything dry, everything happy. Yes, we're taping the staples. If there's a hole, moisture will send it directly. Every staple gets a tiny raincoat.
All right, so that's the floor vapor barriered. That was all taped off. All the staples are all covered up. Now I'm going to move to putting the flooring on. So I will see you when I do that. I'm going to use my Hikoki, the one that I thought was gone. It's got a better bump. A little speed square. like this one better? This one. And that is bump.
Set the first sheet true. Every other sheet lives by its example.
The dual.
Shade, hold that up. We're gonna go in, have a drink, watch a show.
Yeah.
I think, well, I'm gonna finish this video for next week. I cannot believe, like, I thought people were joking as to how long it took to edit a video. No word of a lie. Working on it, say, 3-4 hours a day, except when we were watching RJ and Kathleen's cats and dogs. 15 hours, 16 hours to edit one video.
Kind of ridiculous, but it's true.
It's ridiculous. But anyway, I've got probably most of this week's done. So that'll be up on Sunday, and I'm looking forward to it, although it's a little bit behind where we are now. And Robert is so happy.
Hi, Cookie.
Say that again.
I love it.
I think he loves that thing more than he loves me.
Don't ask.
Jerk. Next episode, we go vertical, and framing begins. See you then.